please take this time to follow my Instagram, Rosary Clothing. Hey YouTube family, so I'm just gonna get right into it. Here are the pictures of what I ordered off Wish. And I'm just so elated, you all. This was really nice. Like, y'all just don't understand. I'm trying to get my business off the ground, and guess when I ordered this? I placed my order on January 3rd, but I received it on January 7th. And surprisingly, I didn't even pay for express shipping.
Hey YouTube, so I got my package today.
Please don't judge me, because my hair a hot mess.
I'm gonna insert everything, you know what I'm saying, like far as when I purchased this kit. I actually ordered it off Wish. I was at work today, so they left me this little message, but thank goodness my brother was here to pick up my package. So this is how the box look.
Nice and big, and I can already tell that this is about to be lit. So I'm going to start unpacking everything and come back to you, alright?
So already I'm loving what I'm seeing. I have my white backdrop, my green backdrop, my black backdrop, and a couple of boxes and clamps and stuff. So I am so excited. Once I get everything out of the boxes, I'm going to show you everything, okay? Alright. I am so excited, you all. Look at this nice little duffel bag for my equipment. I have the clamps for the backdrop poles and everything to set it up. Some nice instructions right here to put up everything. Look at these light bulbs, just, you know, really big. That's my hand. That light bulb is really big. So let's get this set up. I am so excited. Another thing is, as you can see, this is my couch and, you know, pretty much my little station where I work at in my living room. I'm going to clear out this section right here and just build up my photo shoot. I think I'm going to move my couch from over here to over here where my AC is, and hey, I'll get back to you once I set up everything.
So I made a rookie mistake, you all. I accidentally mixed my light pose with my backdrop pose. Just please try to, you know, look at the top and you'll be able to see the difference. Look at the instructions. Alright, so I'm so excited. Look, this is the end results. Please tell me what you think in the comments below. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you liked it. Enjoy.